a snow day. So, yeah, I did my makeup for a little bit, and here's what I do during a snow day. I did my nails. I'm gonna do some journaling. Oh yeah, and I have a to-do list little calendar thing. It says make it happen. So for this I need to do sweeping, bathroom, and laundry, and well, this is going to be tonight. Do the sheets and finish this video. Got that written down. What am I doing in here, huh? Yeah, what am I doing in here? You a good girl? You a pretty girl, huh? Meow. Meow. Aww. This is what I'm going to try and do. Aww, you're so pretty. You're such a pretty little thing. Callie. My Callie. My Callie. Oh, you good girl. Oh, you good Callie. Okay, we're going to try and do the squat thing. Squat and clean. Okay, so what are you doing? Okay, reverse lunge and press. So like this. I don't know what I'm doing. Huh, Callie? You think you know what you were doing? You pretty girl. You're so pretty. Hold on. You have to see this. Hi. Are you gonna get up? No? Okay. I guess we're not doing any more exercise. Come here for a second. That's what I've been working on for the past few days. It's from my friend, so he was feeling not so well, so I thought I'd make him a gift. And I know he's not watching because I don't think he watches my videos, so keep it secret, okay? Okay, I'm gonna do my sheets now. I'm not gonna do the lower one because you don't want to hear me swear. Hi there, vjvtamer here. So that concludes the video. Thumbs up if you like it. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever. And I'll see you in the next one. Okay, thanks, bye.